How to log out of the Deriv Go application using your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Whether you are switching accounts or just taking a break, logging out of Deriv Go is easy. So let's do it step by step. Open up the Deriv Go application on your mobile device. Once you're inside the home page of Deriv Go, if you want to log out of your account, go to the upper right corner and tap on the human icon. From the expanded menu, look all the way at the bottom and you will see a logout button. Yes, the logout button will be displayed right there. Just make sure you remember your password and your email so that you can log in again if you ever want to. If you do, simply tap on logout and click on logout in the pop-up to confirm, and you'll be able to sign out or log out of your Deriv Go application. So there you have it. Logging out keeps your account safe, especially on shared devices. Next time you want to trade, just log back in. It's that simple. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.